Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Sandy and I have a super easy lemon garlic shrimp bake that you are gonna love. Not only is it going to take you less than 30 minutes to get done, but it will only take you 6 ingredients to make. I have here shrimp, fresh lemon juice, red pepper flakes, garlic, butter, and parsley. And as always, you can find the recipe link in the description. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then clean, peel, and devein 1.5 pounds of extra large shrimp and set them aside. Next, heat the butter and add minced garlic. Cook until the butter is melted and the garlic becomes fragrant, which will take about 3 minutes. In a large baking dish, place the shrimp in and pour the butter mixture over. Then spread it into an even layer. Season with some salt and pepper. And I also have here some red pepper flakes. But you can leave it out if it's a little too hot for you. I'm also going to squeeze in half of a lemon. And then we're gonna bake it for about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on the size of your shrimp. Ultimately, you want the shrimp to be pink and opaque when it's done. And when we take it out of the oven, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off with some lemon wedges. Some fresh parsley. All right, so let's give it a try. Be careful, make sure you blow on it a little bit because it's still hot. So much flavor with that butter and garlic infused into the shrimp. And it's crazy how pretty this looks, and it took us less than 30 minutes to make and only 6 ingredients. You can eat it by itself with some rice and veggies, or some crusty bread to dip into that buttery sauce. Shrimp not only cooks up fast, but it's low in calories, high in protein, and has various vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids that help promote heart health. If you enjoyed this episode, like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And follow me on Instagram at Little Monster Eats so you see what I can come up with next. Thanks for watching everyone, and have a monsterific day. Bye!